on the planet is Tara Tescher. I adore you. From the first time I met you a gazillion years ago, before you were even part of Temp-tations,
yes,
there was something special about you.
I
and having
completely
you
agree.
as my friend has been a joy.
I love you madly.
You too. Picture.
Madly.
Picture. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bang, bang, bang. Done.
Okay, great.
Do you remember the first thing we presented together?
I don't.
Wind chimes.
Wind chimes?
Wind chimes.
Why were you selling wind chimes?
You know, that's what I was doing at first.
At the time,
yes,
right? Wind
yes,
chimes.
Yes,
well,
wind
oh,
chimes.
how far she's come.
Yes, well, I love you.
So creative. Thank you.
So excited for you.
And of course, many of you remember when I was able to partner with Tara and we created the vintage Grace
yes.
collection. Many of you have those dishes. I hope they continue to grace your table. This item, I am so happy is in this show. Like, it's a run, don't walk. It's $15 and change. Like, maybe I should be leaving more often, right? All of these great prices on these items here. But you're going to get everything that you love about Temp-tations for less than $16. And this is what we're calling our Tart pan with the lidded. But I feel like it's so much more versatile than Tart. Like, don't let the word Tart throw you off, because it's really versatile.
So I love to call it like an elongated baker, right? And it's a shallow baker, which is great. Of course, we call it a Tart pan because we fluted it. It was one of those pieces that you wanted in our collection. So of course, we're always listening. Stoneware, so still goes in the oven up to 500 degrees, the fridge, the freezer, the dishwasher, the microwave, which is great. We married it with our lidded, so this actually becomes the bottom for that baker, or it becomes the lid, Jill, as you know. And then we also included a snap-on storage cover so that if you're prepping ahead of time, you want to put that in the fridge or the freezer, you certainly can do that as well.
I'm looking at this for when I need something for my stuffed mushrooms. Like, perfect to line this up. When I just want to put up like a little small sampling of crudité or olives or roasted red peppers and, you know, your little mozzarella balls. You can do it all in here. For your Germac mix, right? Or your Squirrel brand mix. Like just
asparagus.
Oh my God.
Some customers who wrote in and said they roast asparagus and then lay it out here. Beautiful.
Love it. All right, so there's so many patterns to choose from here in colors, and already 200 gone.
Wow.
And don't wait on fireworks, and it's all on Easy Pay, and when they're gone, they're gone.
Yeah, this is retiring.
So let's go through. You're going to have.
I would love to. Okay, here's our firework fetty. Here's our fireworks. So
firework fetty. So that's like red, white, and blue old world pattern.
Correct.
And then fireworks. I love that.
Is floral lace, and that is our beautiful firework.
Love it. All right.
Great detail. Then we have our ocean fetty. So that's got your teals and your lavenders. Underneath that, we have what we call summer.
Yes.
You need that. Beautiful, gorgeous shell details. Gorgeous, gorgeous,
love that.
Then I love the fact that we have our egg hunt. So again, if you want to put that away for spring or for your Easter table, beautiful.
I mean, think of this price. That's why you're buying it now, even though it's not Easter till next year. You're getting it now because of the value.
Tuck it away.
And then look at
of
this.
course, fall. So fall's going to have that beautiful kind of goldenrod color, and then that gorgeous leaf detail engraved inside it.
How about the weight of these too, Tara?
Well, stoneware, right?
Nice.
So it's what our grandmothers used, their grandmothers used. Temp-tations brings it to today's lifestyle. So here are your greens. We have your old world choice and your floral lace. We have your cranberries, your old world, and your floral lace. Your two reds, your old world, and your floral lace. Follow me down in front. We have confetti and our light blue. Confetti mixes and matches all of your colors. Light blue is more of that robin's egg color. Here are your blacks, and I love how we're putting these together so you can mix and match your old world and of course your floral lace. Here's your blue in your old world and blue in your floral lace.
Love.
There's your spice and spice in your floral lace. Here are your two browns, our most neutral, old world, and then chocolate below that. And then we have our two eggplants. Eggplant in old world, eggplant in floral lace.
So we are busy on the phones. 1,200 of these gone.
Thank
old
you.
world, more limited. And then let's pivot, shall we?
Love this.
And show you some fun ideas on things you might want to use this for. Because again, it doesn't have to just be for tarts.
Right.
I mean, that's that's being short-sighted in how to use this. This just gives you the ability to have a long, narrow tray, a long, narrow baker.
Yes.
And then from there, the possibilities are endless.
And I think it's one of those pieces that we're always looking for. So this was a brilliant idea of my mother's, and that is that stoneware not only keeps hot things hot, but cold things cold. So just by lining the bottom with some ice, you can keep that cold, and then put your antipasto on here if you wanted to. Put some of your clam mix on here. That will stay nice and cold throughout the meal. And then I love what you were saying, right? These could be your stuffed mushrooms, your mushroom caps. These could be your caprese salad. Or it could be something
that'd
as
be pretty
simple.
on there.
Yeah, right, with your fresh basil all over it, and then your
Enjoyable.
little drizzle.
Enjoyable.
Did you hear David and I say that to you?
No, I
So
didn't.
during his show in the kitchen with David, we were joking, and he said, and then there's a word that Jill loves to use all the time. We both said,
Enjoyable.
Enjoyable, on schedule.
I love it.
And we didn't rehearse it. Chocolate covered strawberries, and then of course, truly what it was inspired
Tart,
for,
yeah.
Tart. And these are those great shells that you can just buy. You don't have to be fancy. You don't have to be able to make everything from scratch.
Right.
But Temp-tations is about getting it on the table and it looking great.
I love the idea of even doing like a dip in
hot
this.
dip,
Because sometimes,
yes.
you know, you have so many round things. We tend to gravitate towards that round shape that sometimes it's nice when you're doing a tablescape to have some different shapes. So this gives you
Absolutely.
that nice
Yes.
elongated shape,
I
which
love
is
that.
fantastic.
A beautiful queso dip. You could do a spinach and artichoke dip.
Yes.
Think about all the things that we love to serve that it's like, wow, I wish I just had that piece.
Yes.
You can even heat your chips up because you can put that right in the oven. So
Great.
it replaces what you might have used for a metal cookie sheet.
3,000 of these now
Wow.
gone. Let's go through all of
Yeah.
your colors.
Okay.
Now, thinking ahead to 4th of July.
Yes.
Those fun barbecues, those parties you're going to. We have 2 red, white, and blue options.
Love that. And this is retiring. So if you've been collecting these pieces and you want it, just forewarning, because I know you get very upset when I don't let you know that. Here is going to be what we call our firework fetty. Red, white, and blue in our old world pattern. Here's our firework. So this
Love
is our
it.
floral lace detail, truly whimsical and fun. Then we get into our summer times, our ocean fetty and our summer. So your shell detail, and then as Jill's holding in her hand, more of that sea blue. It almost looks like sea glass to me.
Agreed.
Then we have our egg hunt.
Okay.
And under egg hunt, we have what we call our fall.
Nice.
So those are your seasonal pieces. They only come around a certain period of time. In this case, they will retire, so we'll lose them forever.
Yes.
But if you want to add them, great. Here are your greens. Green old world and floral lace. Your cranberries, if you collect that color. Cranberry and floral lace. Your reds, red and old world and floral lace. And then right down here in front,
Yes.
we have our eggplant. So that's going to be that beautiful grapey purple. There's your old world and floral lace. Here's your chocolate super neutral. As Jill was saying, tuck this piece away. This makes a fantastic gift. There's your chocolate and floral lace. Then we have your spice in both your old world and floral lace. That blue, that's going to be that royal blue. Beautiful if you collect that kind of European style. Then we have our blacks. Love that, looks like toile, pretty modern. And then at the very end, we have what I collect, that's confetti. Mixes and matches all of your colors. And then we have the light blue as well.
So when these are gone, they're gone. You're getting them, I mean, they were affordable to begin with, I think. $21.50 is a pretty good price. Now they're under $16, and you're getting easy pay, and when they're gone, and over 4,000 of them have been requested.
Thank you, everybody.
We're busy on the phones. I'm not saying goodbye to you because I know I'm going to see you.
Yes.
Right?
Are you
We're
kidding?
doing lunch.
Yeah, I was just gonna say,
See you
like,
at the beach.
next week.
Right? Love you.